Okay, so here's a question for you, and it involves last mile logistics. I'm just over in Taipei running a conference for a couple of days, and I'm amazed. I've been walking for a couple of k's down towards Tower 101, and look at the traffic. This is 11 o'clock in the morning, and there is hardly any traffic. So you know how last mile delivery in most large cities is a real nightmare. What's going on in Taipei? We're here at 11 a.m. in the morning, and there's very little traffic at all. So it's going to be interesting tomorrow to find out, because I'm running a supply chain workshop here for a couple of days, to find out from all of the delegates what is the secret of logistics. So if you know what the answer is, do please comment below. Why is there so little traffic in Taipei? I mean, there's lots of buses, there's a great train system, but why is it so quiet? So here's an interesting example of brand and the power of social media. Here we've just dropped into a little noodle shop in a side street in Taipei. It's absolutely packed. There's nowhere to sit. People just grab the noodles and eat them on the sidewalk. Is it good? It was alright. But it's the power of branding. So do you really understand the cost of your last mile delivery? If I'm looking a little bit windswept, we're on the north coast of Taiwan here, in the little village of Zhufen, and about 600 k's north there is Okinawa, and they've just been hit by a typhoon, so it's a little bit blowy here. But we've just had a fantastic couple of days here in Taiwan, talking about cost to serve with local logistics companies. And you know, it's as big an issue here as it is anywhere. It is the secret sauce, I think, to really understanding supply chain costs and delivering value in the supply chain in terms of reduced cost and improved profits for any type of business. Just check out this place. Here we've got this fantastic little village of Zhufen. Here's the local 7-Eleven. There's a family mart just around the corner. Way up in the mountains here. I mean, this is an extreme example of really understanding your cost to serve. Here's the road coming up the mountain. Imagine making deliveries up here, and in the distance there, the port of Keelung. So it's a real challenge, no matter where you are in the world. You've got to understand the cost of delivery of all your different products to all the different types of customers to make sure that you're not losing money.